Audio Jungle.
Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel Learn with Veena. Here's Veena with you to explore many things with you all.
Audio
So,
Jungle.
as we all know, India is a country with rich, diverse culture. Lots and lots I have put up with my videos. I have already uploaded videos of languages of
Audio
India.
Jungle.
Not even that, I've come across with states and union territories. A series is put on with it. I already have begun with some of my states which I've come
Audio
across in
Jungle.
alphabetical order. If you have not viewed it or missed viewing it, the link is put up in the description box. You can go through it and click it and view all the videos of
Audio
states and
Jungle.
languages. So here I am coming up with something new, that is Indian festivals. Being India in a rich, diverse culture,
Audio
we
Jungle.
have people of all religions, of various cultures, having traditional habits, which all emerges up or mixes up with the
Audio
festivals
Jungle.
that we are celebrating every now and then. So here is the Festivals of India video, which we are going to view more and more and explore more about India.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I wish you all a very happy Diwali, beginning with my video on Diwali, the festival of lights.
Audio Jungle.
Now, Diwali or
Audio
Deepavali is an
Jungle.
Indian festival of lights, usually lasting 5 days and celebrated during the Hindu lunisolar month Kartika, October and mid-November.
Audio
One of the
Jungle.
most popular festivals of Hinduism, Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance.
Audio
The
Jungle.
festival is widely associated with Lakshmi, goddess of prosperity, with many other regional traditions connecting the holiday of Sita and Rama,
Audio Jungle.
Vishnu, Krishna, Yami, Durga, Kali, Dhanvantri, or Vishwakarman. Furthermore, it is in some
Audio Jungle.
regions a celebration of the day Lord Rama returned to his kingdom Ayodhya after defeating the demon king Ravana.
Audio Jungle.
Now, when I speak about Diwali, what is the reason that
Audio
Diwali? What is
Jungle.
behind the name Diwali? It's from the Sanskrit Deepavali, meaning row or series of lights. The conjugated term is
Audio
derived from
Jungle.
the Sanskrit word deepa, lamp, light, lantern, candle, that which glows, shines, illuminates, or knowledge. And
Audio Jungle.
Avali is a row, range, continuous line series. So I guess all have come up with the reason of the name
Audio
Diwali,
Jungle.
which is set for the festival.
Audio Jungle.
When is Diwali? The 5-day celebration observed every
Audio
year in
Jungle.
early autumn after the conclusion of the summer harvest and coincides with the new moon known as Amavasya, the darkest night of Hindu lunisolar
Audio
calendar.
Jungle.
The festivities begin 2 days before Amavasya on Dhanteras and extend 2 days after the second day of the first fortnight of the month of
Audio
Kartik.
Jungle.
The festival climax is on the third day and is called the main Diwali.
Audio Jungle.
Something more about Diwali in religious context is celebrated by
Audio
Hindus,
Jungle.
Jains, Sikhs, and Newar Buddhists. Although for each faith it marks different historical events and stories, but nonetheless,
Audio Jungle.
the festival represents the same symbolic victory of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and good over evil.
Audio Jungle.
Now let's list up the 5
Audio
days of
Jungle.
Diwali. Day 1, Dhanteras, the Dhanatrayodashi. Day 2, Narak Chaturdashi, that is Choti Diwali, which is called up. Third, Lakshmi
Audio
Pujan
Jungle.
or Kali Puja. The fourth, Annakut Bali Pratipada, that is Padwa or Govardhan Puja. Fifth, Bhai
Audio
Dooj,
Jungle.
Bhau Beej, Vishwakarma Puja. So these are the 5 days which we end up in a high-fi festival of Diwali.
Audio Jungle.
How is Diwali
Audio
celebrated? In the lead up to Diwali, celebrants will prepare by cleaning, renovating, decorating their homes, workplaces with diyas, rangolis. During the Diwali, people
Audio
wear
Jungle.
finest clothes, illuminate the interior and exterior of their homes with diyas, rangolis, and offer puja to Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity and wealth. Light
Audio
fireworks and patake, which we say in Hindi, in family feast where mithai and gifts are shared.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now, I wish you all once again a very happy Diwali, but this time have a safe Diwali. Not only but this time, every time from now, please have a safe Diwali. Be careful of open fire and diyas and candles, and wash hand well before having foods and sweets. Practice prescribed caution while lighting fireworks, or I would say avoid fireworks at least this time, because the smoke released will harm your health with the ongoing pandemic.
Audio Jungle.
Try to have indoors Diwali with your family, joint family,
Audio
or with your
Jungle.
elders, grandparents, and even your parents or sisters. Wear cotton cloths as possible. Keep a watch on children if there is any child at your home. Keep pets away from lighted fire or firework area. Please don't place any crackers in front of animals or pets or any of the animals which is there in your area. Please don't harm them. Spread the message, help others, have a safe and colorful, lightful Diwali to all of you.
Audio Jungle.
So once again, I would wish you happy Diwali. If you have liked my video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel Learn with Veena Iyer. Have a safe, green and eco-friendly Diwali to
Audio
all.
Jungle.